Hi guys, Jared Fisher here, Director of Everything over at Escape Adventures. I want to take you on a little adventure into Northern California, a place called Napa Valley and Sonoma Valley. Within this area there is unique wine country as well as beautiful ocean, vast views, looking out to the Pacific and enjoying the beautiful rolling highway on PCH 1, just waiting for you to go and explore. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video footage and hopefully it has inspired you to get outside, enjoy the beautiful backcountry of the Southwest, Northwest, wherever it may be that you're at. Take your family, take your friends, do whatever it takes to get out and enjoy every moment, because remember, life is a limited time offer. So live your dreams, don't dream your life.